right. So we are doing the balayage today. How bright do you want to go?
I'll leave it in your. I want to look good, so
Leave it in my hands.
leave it in your hands, my
Okay.
friend.
Are you comfortable if we have these pieces a little brighter with
Yep.
the money piece that we
Yep, the
discussed?
money pieces. Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
My mother-in-law says to me, "Are you gonna look younger again?" I was like,
Yes.
"Thanks, mom. Thank you."
Yes.
What are you saying about me?
Say I'm about to be the baddest bitch.
Yeah,
when I walk out of here.
exactly.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go get mixed up and then I'll be right back.
All right, awesome. It was all like Halloween, and I'm like, it's August still.
It's not Christmas. Like, why are y'all wanting to celebrate these holidays so early? I don't. I mean, I want it to feel warm.
Yeah, I mean, the problem is then it starts really messing up with your schedule.
She hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fleet, I don't do back ends and flanks. No, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frame. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since his time. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time. Whoa. Yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga.
We've been trying to make them slowly work their way back from the summer, so that they're ready for school.
It's not happening.
Not super well.
That's how it feels with us too.
Yeah. It's like gonna be a trial by fire when it all happens.
Yeah.
Let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privilege.
I'd be more prone to like lay it down.
Maybe we'll see, that he won't hear what's going on and I'm excited to be able to cook and not think like someone's gonna be like so stressful.
Make him repeat what he said. Let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass. He got hit in the head for far. Ops get undivided attention. I give them my all. How you come over the spot?
it's your time of the month. How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say
Go to bed now. Yep. Like, love you into pieces.
I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it down.
I mean, sometimes like it's good to have things for yourself though.
Yeah, exactly.
Like it's not always a bad thing to like. I mean, yeah, involve your kids in some stuff, but some stuff
Sometimes like you're like, please, it's mine.
yeah.
That's like my like room. That's my office. It's like the kids have consumed it, and I said when they go back to school,
It's back to mine.
it's back to mine.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spines. Do it. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit since his sons. Do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes. You see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks. We go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks. I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out, eggplant must have went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah, yeah. Let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass. He got hit in the head before. Ops get undivided attention. I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How? Make a distance. See how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry. I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fee. I don't do back ends and fronts.
No, no, no. Let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow. That's cause the neck is a frame. Her. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spines. Do it. Do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since his sons. Do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Dude did an amazing job.
Looks so natural.
Yeah, that's what I like. Because there are pictures of me, and there are some hair colorings. It's not so good.
Yeah. Oh no, not this time.
No, this looks great.
And then look at your layers.
Oh my, I know, they're gorgeous, the layers you put in.
And then with the color, the money
Oh, the money piece.
piece. Are you comfortable how bright I
Oh, I
took
love
you?
it. I love it.
And then we got that.
Because it
color.
blends well. It's not like you have a crazy streak. It's
Streak.
like,
No.
oh, it
And
looks
look
good.
at the color underneath.
Matches my glasses. Ooh, I love it. Oh. Yeah, and then we'll eventually sneak some pink
in there. Yeah, add a little more.
Yeah.
Add the pink. But this is like to get like you a preview of what it would look like. Like the pink we just lay here,
Oh,
and you'll
yeah.
only see it when it's open.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you just flap your hair like this.
When I gotta be like the church ladies, I just gotta, you know.
No, yeah, fix it, fix it.
Yeah, they're always the ones that I'm like, all right, pop the earrings out or pull my hair forward.
But this is gorgeous.
Oh, that is awesome. Give me back my
Phil,
food.
how do you feel, Mama?
I feel great. I feel great.
Gorgeous?
I feel gorgeous. Thank you so much.
No problem. I'm glad you love it.
I love
Let me
it.
show you the back.
Oh, it's just awesome.
And like the blend is crazy, honestly.
Oh, it is. It just. Oop, there we go. Oh, it just looks so natural. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
And then if next time you want like more blonde pieces, more blonde at the end, you
Yeah,
can do
yeah.
that. But I just didn't want to shock you.
No,
the
I think it
first
looks.
time.
No, I think it looks great. I think you gotta slowly bring me back.
Back.
After. Yeah.
But I think this was like the perfect tone for you.
Yeah.
In your like hair, because it still looks like